So I wanted to show you how, as teachers or staff, to access Canva. If you're an employee in the district, you have access to Canva. So what you need to do is on a web browser, go to launchpad.classlink.com/dcsd. And when you get to this page, you're going to type in the first part of your email. If it includes a number, include that number, but not the whole email. And it's your Active Directory password, or in other words, your Wi-Fi password. If you don't know what that is, please email me and I will get that information to you so you can access Classlink. Once you're logged into Classlink, you'll see in your landing page the blue Canva app. All you have to do is click on it and it will load your Canva account. And it's an education account, which is the premium account. You have access to all the bells and whistles. If you have any questions, again, please email me, tfalcons@dcsd.org, and we can get that set up for you. Thanks for watching.